towards the west of the Isle. We're heading towards Dunvegan. And we're going to explore the next couple of days this side of the Isle, aren't we?
Yep.
Oh yes. It's a signpost for Dunvegan. So we've come to Dunvegan Castle. Ooh. Could have this wrong, but I think Dunvegan Castle is the only fully standing castle on the Isle of Skye. Fully built castle on the Isle of Skye. I think so. The gardens are amazing. But the gardens are probably more impressive than the castle. Before we came to the Isle of Skye, the weather forecast was pretty rubbish, wasn't it?
Wet.
Wet. However, we have this.
Pretty damn good weather actually.
We've had showers.
But you settle for showers, the weather forecast made out it was going to rain all the time. On the beach. I see some starfish.
Let's take a look. This is where Coral Beach is.
On our way to Coral Beach. Beautiful evening. Sun is shining. Sky is blue. Wow. Beautiful. It's pretty though, look where all the sea's been in, it's left all the seaweed. And it's real burgundy colour. It's beautiful.
Coral Beach, hidden away, just so that the odd tourist can come along and find it. This sand seems to be made up purely of shells. That's amazing. nice walk. It's such a beautiful place to come to. We're going to head back to the camper van. And we're going to try and find somewhere to park up for tonight. This time of year, late September, it gets dark about 7 o'clock, so to find somewhere to park up for the night safely is key, really. But we've still got an hour and a half's worth of daylight, so we're back to the camper van and find somewhere to keep down. See you next time.